and you. Thank you very much. So, what are you doing? Really? What the f*** was that? See what he did? He's in the right hand lane. Oh! It's dangerous, you know? It's dangerous. What are you doing, man? Oh, wrong. It's the wrong way. It's a one-way street. So. No, you're in the box. No, you're in the box. You're in the box. Seriously? Really?